another what's happening here. More restoration, more rebuilding, redevelopment. Here's another salmon estuary. Hear the honking? Oh, look! Stanley Parks is starting to appear again. You can see the tips of it. And the bridge is reappearing as well in the distance. Okay, we almost reached Ambleside, I think. There we go. There's the creek. Stream watch. I still haven't seen any salmon. They're hiding. It's still cold. Let's cross that little bridge. Okay, another wharf which I passed before. Right, on to the next section.